Hi everyone, I'm Amir Kessler, Director of Product Management at Cover. And today I want to talk about how easy it is to do a cyber risk quantification and how quickly you can actually get results of a cyber risk quantification. Those of you who are familiar with cyber risk quantification might think or might know that it's a very long process that takes a lot of time and requires answering a million questions and a million questionnaires. And I'm here to show you that it doesn't have to be that way. And there is a way to do a quantification with a very quick time to value. And the way to do that is using integrations. By integrating to any security vendor that you're already using, or CMDB or any type of other vendor that collects data about the internal network, that could be utilized for the quantification and save you all the data collection and questionnaire answering time. I'm going to demonstrate that right now, and I'm going to use Quantum, that's Cover's cyber risk quantification platform. And I'm going to share my screen to start and to show you. All right, so for the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to use the Cloud Comms company. It's a demo company, it's not a real company. And this entity, it's ready for data collection. That means that we can start an integration, start collecting data. I just need to click here, collect data, start integration, choose Microsoft. I'm choosing Microsoft just for the sake of this demonstration. It doesn't have to be Microsoft, it could be many other vendors, but again, just demonstrating with Microsoft. And over here, I'm already redirected to the Microsoft login page. Once I'll click this, the data collection will start, and that takes a few minutes. So I already re-ran the same company with the integration to show you the results. So basically, once you run an integration, it automatically creates a sphere. Sphere is Cover's way or Quantum's way of reflecting what we know about the network. It includes what we know about endpoints, the infrastructure of the company, the cloud, and the security posture and security controls that there are in the network. What we learned from Microsoft is that this company, Cloud Comms, has employee endpoints. There are 2 employee endpoints. It's demo data, so it's quite small, but of course it could be thousands of computers and thousands of asset groups. But we learned that there are 2 endpoints utilizing specific technologies and specific operating system. There's some sensitive data accessed by these endpoints. We learned that there's an infrastructure called on-premises with specific data records stored and even the amounts stored together. Same goes about cloud, what we learned about the email vendors or the PaaS vendors. And we also learned about the security profile of the company. So from the Microsoft Defender, we were able to extract what are the maturity levels of each control using here the CIS framework. It could be any other framework by the same token. This is the idea. You just need to click 3 clicks to authenticate Microsoft Defender, and this data is automatically collected. The sphere is pre-populated, and of course, you as a user, you can go over it, you can modify it, you can add whatever you want, but this can happen automatically. And like I said, this example data, it's not very large, but this works the exact same way also for very large data sets of data. One last thing I want to show you is that if you want to know what was the connection from the data that was collected to the sphere that was created, you can always click here on Edit Company. You can go to the Assets tab. And in the Assets tab, you actually see the names as they appeared in the Microsoft data. And as you can see here, we got the data from the Azure Sentinel integration and some more information about the data that we collected, such as what is the type, what is the risk score, if there was such from Microsoft, what is the criticality, and such data. You can always cross-reference and understand what was the data that we actually utilized. That's it. I hope this was useful and that you learned and saw that cyber risk quantification can actually be done very quickly and very easily. Thank you very much. Goodbye.